Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm going to be talking about VROOM stock, and one of the main reasons why I want to talk about this recently IPO'd company is because I think that they are going to be going crazy over the next week. I think there's going to be a lot of bullish price action, so I want to show you what is telling me that from the chart, and I want to show you another company in this industry that is making me extremely bullish on what VROOM could do in the future. So if you've ever heard of VROOM, they're a company that focuses on online car sales, primarily used car sales that are around 2 to 3 years old. So that is a very booming industry right now, and we can see that through another stock, Carvana, which has also been moving extremely strongly over the last few weeks, and ever since the beginning of the economic downturn. They were worth around $30, and their price has now gone up 1,000 times since that moment, and they are worth around 300 now. So you can see that type of potential that a company like VROOM has, even though they are worth only around 25%. So imagine if a company like VROOM doubles its market cap or triples it, we could see a huge percentage increase on the stock. So I think this is going to be a great stock to have in your back pocket, looking for some new price action and really some new price highs around $43. So let me get into why I think this stock is going to be moving very strongly. Alright guys, so getting now into the technical analysis portion, I want to share with you guys what is making me so bullish on this stock coming into next week, and especially coming into the next month of price action for this company. I think it will be a great opportunity to catch a upside run, and I think that we will see prices of around $50 within a month for this company, and hopefully we can reach the all-time high within half a year from this video. That would be absolutely excellent, but I want to show you why I think that we might run all the way to $40, or maybe even starting to come near 50 just in the next few weeks. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to want to look at is these price lows at around $32, and the way the stock has found support at this price 3 times already within the last month. So that means that this $32 price tag is going to be a very clear bottom for the stock, at least in the short run. And you can see that we have now rocketed up from that price. Now, even though we have been at this $40 price range 2 times in the last week, I think it's more significant that we're here now, and I want to show you exactly why. If we zoom in a little closer here, you can see that the volume data is showing us a very clear sign of what traders think about this stock at the $40 price tag, where the first time we were up at $40, people were much more likely to sell, as you can tell from the red candles here at the bottom. But now that we're coming up to 40 for the second time, there is a lot more volume, and not only a lot more, it is green, and as opposed to how it was in the past. So that's making me extremely bullish on what could happen once we break out from this level. And additionally, this $40 level has represented a price where the stock has run up from in the past, and where we were having trouble breaking down from when the stock was originally selling off. So I think that this is going to be a great opportunity to catch a run to the upside. Additionally, there is a small wedge forming on the company. If we do draw a line from the top here to the bottom of this trend, this last channel that they were trading in, you can see that they have found bottoms around 32 and have recently ripped up, and that's why they have ripped up so strongly from around this $32 range from earlier this week. So I think that $40 will be the clear price to break if we are going to see some upside trending on this stock, but I do think that we can hit 43 or even 45 to 50 within the end of next week, because I am very bullish on this company, and the fact that the volume is ramping up so strongly but the stock is not moving to match is really giving me a bullish feeling for this company, and making me feel like we are accumulating before a very large move to the upside. So keep an eye on this stock, guys, because I think that we can make a very strong move coming into next week and coming into this December period when a lot of other stocks might be in a weaker position. So it's always going to be great to have a company like this in your back pocket where you can look to possibly make a great trade on any given day. So it's always going to be great to watch these key levels on a company like VROOM, and I think that this company can do very well over the next few months of price data. So as always, guys, if you want to stay up to date with what play I'm buying or selling on a daily basis, don't forget to join the Discord, link down in the description below, for completely free daily plays and signals. And if you enjoyed what you watched today, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more daily updates here on the channel. And as always, I hope all your trades are in the green.